Health experts say there were more than 100,000 South Carolinians with Alzheimer's in 2020 and about 216,000 serving as caregivers. As a result, advocates are pushing to secure funding for dementia care specialists. News 19's Becky Buds tells us more.
The Department of Aging has been piloting this program with one specialist for about 2 years. Now they want to expand it to 10 specialists across the state.
But while we're looking for treatments and prevention and cures, we can't leave behind the families that are already suffering.
Taylor Wilson with the South Carolina Alzheimer's Association says caregivers provided an estimated 361 million hours of unpaid care in 2020, totaling about $5.5 billion.
Caregivers are really our first line of defense against a disease that is growing in prevalence.
That's why the association is lobbying to get $1 million in the state budget to fund 10 dementia care specialists.
We know in our hyper-rural state, we have a lot of people who may not know about the resources that are the next county over because maybe they're not internet users. Maybe that service isn't posted on Facebook. Maybe it's posted on a flyer. Well, how do we connect those people? That's the job of the dementia care specialist.
Wilson says the current pilot position has already made a significant impact, providing statewide online training for nearly 400 individuals and assisting over 100 families in navigating available resources.
That's one person in less than 2 years. What happens when we multiply it by 10?
The House didn't include the request in their version of the budget, which passed last month. However, Senator Tom Davis is championing the cause in the Senate.
From a moral perspective, again, you're improving quality of life. In a financial perspective, we're saving Medicaid dollars for South Carolinians. And above all that, it's just the right thing to do.
The Senate is expected to take up the budget next week. Reporting at the State House, Becky Buds, News 19 WLTX.
Well, similar programs have been implemented in other states like Georgia and in Wisconsin.